Nothing helps like a calming walk in the heart of nature when you need to clear your mind and de-stress. Hiking trails near Greenwich, Connecticut offer miles of trails and something good for all skill levels. Greenwich hiking trails at picturesque parks provide serenity and respite from hectic city life. And they're all an easy drive from downtown Greenwich and New York City. Don't stop after one trail. The real magic is in mixing it up, starting in the woods, grab lunch in downtown Greenwich, and wrap up with a sunset walk. That's how locals savor a weekend here. Ready to discover the best hikes near Greenwich, Connecticut? Let's get into it. Montgomery Pinetum Park and Nature Center. When Colonel Robert H. Montgomery bought this land back in 1928, what started as a hobby ended in a stunning pinetum featuring 850 species of conifers. Since then, its informal footpaths have offered a peaceful setting for locals and tourists alike to enjoy the beauty of the Colonel's life work. Greenwich Point Park. Greenwich Point Park offers an easy 2.35-mile beach loop trail to explore the marshlands and take in the expansive views. A unique feature of this park is its position on a peninsula jutting into the Sound. You can enjoy watching both the sunset and sunrise from here. Mianus River Park. The Mianus River winds through the park, taking a turn to the southwest as it makes its way into Greenwich. You can admire the almost haunting contrast of red maples against mature oak and beech trees leading up the sloping hills to the west. Babcock Preserve. This lovely nature preserve covers about 300 acres and has been left to its own devices to undergo natural changes. This is nature at its best, but can prove to be a more challenging hike with some quite rocky areas. You'll also find boardwalks and smoother areas throughout, providing a nice break to your slow pace. If you want even more options, be sure to download your copy of our free visitor's guide to the best hiking trails in and around Greenwich, Connecticut. It's got a free map of the best spots, plus where to stay and towns to visit nearby. Click the link in the description. And check out our other hiking guides. Head to some of our favorite hiking trails in Fairfield County, or explore our guide to Connecticut hiking trails to go farther afield. Or plan a day trip or two to some of the charming Connecticut towns near our top picks for hiking trails. We hope you enjoy your next adventure on hiking trails near Greenwich, Connecticut.